Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best spicy apps for your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. So the first step you gotta take is get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get Downloader absolutely free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, go to search on the Firestick and start typing Downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you will click on it, and that's the app that you gotta get to your Fire TV stick. However, after you get Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually stop Downloader, you have to go to Settings on your Fire Stick, and then scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Open it, and in here, you'll have to turn on developer options on your Fire Stick. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That is in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, go to install on apps, and now in here what you have to do is locate Downloader and just turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, finally, we go to the list of apps on your device, we open it, and here's Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Germany right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So go straight back into the list of apps on your Fire TV stick. Let's open it, and now here's the Downloader. So go to Downloader, wait a bit until it loads for you. And in here, pretty much all we gotta do is we need to start entering the codes right here in that search bar. So now, the first code we're gonna use will be 438713. So once again, 438713, hit that go button, and now the download of this app is going to start. So usually, download doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. In my case, I got a pretty fast connection, so it took us only a couple of seconds. After that, hit that install button and just wait until app is installed to your Fire Stick. After that, you should not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now when we go to a list of apps on your Firestick, which is right here, we'll open it, and here's the first app which we just downloaded. So now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. You click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore is going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time needed. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And so that was the first spicy app we got here today. But as I said, we got not one, but a lot of amazing apps. So we go back to the loader, and now we'll start downloading the app number 2. So the code for another app will be 863 and then 078. So once again, 863078. Click on the go button, and now we'll need to follow pretty much the same process as we did before. So now the download is going to start, and we just have to wait a bit until it is finished. Now you click install and pretty much, follow the same steps. So the app will be installed, and after that we get that option again. So click on done and then delete the unnecessary installation files. So that was the second app we got for you. And let's say it will get you one more amazing app, or maybe 2 more amazing apps. So let's start entering another code, which will be 647190. So 647190. Hit that go button, and now we'll proceed with downloading the third application of today. And there you go, the download of the third app has started. Click on install. And as always, we wait a bit, and then of course delete unnecessary installation files. And alrighty, let's get you one more last amazing app for today. So the code for that one will be 953562. So 953562. And of course, you already know all the steps. So we hit that go button and wait a bit until the download starts for us. And there you go, the download started. Then you just click on install, and after that wait for it to finish, and of course delete unnecessary installation files. And now let's go to the list of apps on your Firestick. So here you go, we open it. And now there are all the amazing apps that we downloaded to your Firestick. So enjoy the apps, you can put them up front, so they will be at the very front of your application list, or alternatively you can click on option and uninstall the apps if you decide that you do not need them anymore. So enjoy the apps and see you next time. Bye bye.